Get ready for some small but mighty stocks. In the week ending September 20th, the Indian benchmark index Sensex gained approximately 2%. But what's even more impressive is that 8 penny stocks surged by 20% to a whopping 95% within the same time frame. These stocks were carefully selected based on 3 criteria: a market capitalization below Rs 1,000 crore, a share price under Rs 20, and a last trading volume exceeding 5 lakh shares. So who are these stocks that defied the odds? Let's take a look. 1. nepse Corporation. Weekly gain of 92% with a previous close. Rs 13,312. Gautam Gems. Weekly gain of 35% with a previous close. At Rs 10,393. Danube Industries. Weekly gain of 29% with a previous close. At Rs 5,354. KCD Industries India. Weekly gain of 28% with a previous close. At Rs 9,195. ARC Finance. Weekly gain of 27% with a previous close. At Rs 2,546. Rajnish Wellness. Weekly gain of 26% with a previous close. At Rs 4177. Yamini Investments. Weekly gain of 26% with a previous close. At Rs 298. Swasti Vinayaka Synthetics. Weekly gain of 21% with a previous close. At Rs 8.78, these penny stocks may be small in size, but they are showing mighty potential. Keep an eye out for their continued growth. Data source: Ace Equity.